guys, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. For this week's video, we're going to be making a coconut curry shrimp, and these are the ingredients that you need for this video. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so we're going to start with some salt. Just a pinch of salt. And some all-purpose seasoning. And we're gonna go ahead and add some pimento. Okay, so for the next step, we're going to use 1 onion. We have our Scotch bonnet pepper. We have 4 cloves of garlic. And we have our dried thyme and our scallion and our bell pepper. Okay, so for our next step, we're going to go ahead and we're going to saute our diced and chopped seasonings, and we're gonna add it to our hot oil. And we're gonna add our curry powder. Of ketchup into our curry, just a little bit. To go ahead and add our shrimp. So remember guys, they're already cooked, so we're gonna cook it for about 5 minutes. Guys, there you have it, coconut curry shrimp, spicy coconut curry shrimp. Look at that, it looks so delicious. Oh my gosh. Hope you guys enjoy this quick little tutorial on how I make my curry shrimp. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for next week's video.